Okay, SCO summit is going on in Tianjin. Today is second day. Today is 1st of September 2025. And SCO summit is going on Tianjin, China, near to the Bohai Sea. Bohai Sea is a sea where the river, one river is very powerful river. I forgot the name of the river. My river or some river. It flows through the Beijing. I have visited Beijing, but I have not seen my river. And then my river of similar name. Then it flows through Tianjin, and then finally it meets the Bohai Sea. In Tianjin, SCO, very historical summit is going on SCO, where deep discussion is going on that how to counter the new tariff rule that America had started, means started dictatorship in the world. I have seen personally, if anyone is going to Kartarpur Sahib, I have not gone there. Anyone is going to Kartarpur Sahib in Pakistan, and that is the place where Sri Guru Nanak Dev, Sri Guru Nanak Dev, the first Guru of Hindu religion or Sikh religion whatsoever, he spent his life, end of his lifetime, where he met the God, and that is Kartarpur Sahib. And there it is 5 kilometers inside the Pakistan from the Indian border. There is a Rabi river, Ravi means Ravi means sun in Sanskrit. Rabi river flows nearby, and there, Sri Guru Nanak Dev spent his last years before meeting to the God. And there, it's a very big Gurudwara is there. And Pakistan had drawn a kind of called Kartarpur Sahib corridor. Corridor means if I have many rooms in a building, then there will be a passage in between. That is called corridor. So Pakistan made a corridor fencing all both sides of the corridor 5 kilometers. And cited you don't need any visa or passport, and you can visit Sri Guru Nanak Dev, Guru Nanak, whatever is remaining out there, and the Gurudwara. Any Indian can go there. People started jumping. Wow, so nice. Just go to the Kartarpur Sahib, that border area, and there you enter and go 5 kilometers, and then you can enjoy your time and come back. This is in theory what Pakistan and India they both told. What is it practical? People will not even imagine it. The practical is there is a website for 5 kilometers. There is a website of Indian government. There you have to go to the website and apply for it, and there you have to give all your documentation in soft copy or something like that. Then they will give you one affirmation that when you have to go, you go there. There are many stadium they have made. You have to sit there, and then your number will come, and then you will enter into Pakistani border. They will check your documents. Then what is meaning of corridor? They will check your document, not visa and passport, other documents. Eh? Then you have to go to a counter there and deposit $20 there. $20 amount. I'm not talking about 20 Pakistani rupee or Indian rupee. $20 you have to deposit it. That is the fee to take you to the Kartarpur Sahib and other expenditure that government will make and bring you back or something like that. $20. Allah, from India, how someone will bring $20? Then there are some shops are there, they will give you money in dollar. You have to give Indian rupee, they will make some commission, and they will give you dollar. That you have to deposit out there. Okay, means you have to take more dollar so that you will again exchange into Pakistani rupee, and that you have to spend out there. This is called dictatorship of the dollar. Without any need, without anything, going from India to Pakistan for 1 hour, 2 hours, person need a dollar out there. Can someone believe over this? Is called corridor. Okay, now the SCO summit is going on where discussion is happening when the eastern part of the world, that is Asia and few countries in Africa, they are doing good business in the world, and it is crossing the G7 countries business. Now more or less they are 50-50%. Then what is our compulsion to use dollar now? We can use our own. So that discussion is going on, and probably some concrete thing will come to have a new currency. Anyway, we will talk about the new new tariff policy that United States has imposed on India. New tariff policy has imposed on India, that is 50% Indian product entering into America, they will be charged 50%. First, we will see that what are the products that is entering into America and they will be charged. These are coming under a topic called the dictatorship of United States. 50% tariff against 2.4% tariff they were charging on the Indian product entering into America. 2.4% tariff. Against that, now they have placed for 50% tariff. First, we will see what are the products that is going from India to America worth how many dollars, and then each product is of worth how many dollars, billion dollar it is entering into America, and then we will see what is the impact on the business in India as far as if it is a pharmaceutical, then what is condition of the pharmaceutical companies after 50% tariff? What is the condition of leather industry into the India who were exporting into America earlier? What is the condition of the garment industry who were exporting into the America? So each sector wise we will see like Kanpur area they were exporting into leather section. What is condition? Like Tirupur cotton in Tamil Nadu, they were exporting into garment section. So all where problems had started happening because order is not coming from America. Order has to come, then only they will purchase from the farmer or from the small industrialist. And then industrialist they will purchase the raw material from the farmer. So the purchase order or the order of the purchase has to come from the client in the America. That slowly it will not come down because whatever India is exporting, parallel to that, there are many countries that are exporting product to the America, same product. Now their tariff is less and India tariff is high. So American customer they will buy low priced item only. In that fashion, Indian items which are priced at higher value nowadays 50% tariff that will be unsold. So the purchase order will be released less for the Indian product. How they are getting affected product by product that we will see. Let's first we focus that what are the products that is entering into America from India every year. Okay, we have data. We will read it out. Okay, if I see the product that is entering into America from India, product by product, first we will see what is the net export of India and net import of India per year. How much India export to the globe and how much India import from the globe. If I see the top 10 country where India is exporting, then United States, India is this is 2024-25 data. United States, India is or 2023-24 data. Looks like it's 1 year old. To United States, India is exporting $76.28 billion worth product every year. Next is United Arab Emirates and 33.36 billion. Next is Netherlands, Netherlands number three, and very few people will knowing it. $21.01 billion per year. United Kingdom $13.17 billion per year. China $12.74 billion per year. To China, India is exporting $12 billion worth item every year. Okay, Singapore $12.11 billion per year. Seventh number is Saudi Arabia, $10.7 billion per year. Eighth is Bangladesh, $10.43 billion worth item per year. Ninth is Germany, $9.51 billion per year. Tenth is Australia, $7.79 billion per year. Okay, if I see the United States, then 17.73% of the export from India is going to America. Now it is 20%. Nowadays it is 20%. And it is $86 billion. Currently, it is $86 billion, 20%. If it is 20% and it is $86 billion, or it is 76% and 17.7 billion percent, $76 billion and 17.76% of the total export, then it will come more or less around $400 billion. India is exporting around the globe. $400 billion worth product. India is exporting around the globe right now. Okay, import inside India. India is importing item. Number one importer India is importing product from China. 103.78 billion. This is a legal import. There are many illegal. China is a neighboring country. Many illegally way also. Many product comes from China to India. This is legal import. $103.78 billion worth product every year. Number two, India import from is from Russia 58.29. Nowadays it is 68. UAE 55.75, USA 41.62 billion dollars, Saudi Arabia 26.82, whereas to Saudi Arabia India export $10 billion, Iraq 26.1 for all our crude oil, Switzerland India import from Switzerland 21.06, mostly the gold India import gold from Switzerland, Indonesia 20.99 billion from Indonesia, India is importing. Ninth number is Singapore, $19.48 billion worth product India is importing from Singapore. Probably all are Chinese product only that are coming through Singapore or Indonesia. I don't know. Number 10 is South Korea. India is importing 20.42. All are electronics product. Means India is importing $103 billion worth from China, and that is 15% of its total import. So I have to multiply it by 7, more or less $700 billion India import and $400 billion India export. If I see export into America, that is more or less $80 billion per year. In that section, if I make top 10 export into the America, then first number comes at pharmaceutical. Okay, 40% of the USA import of the pharmaceutical product it goes from India. I'm not saying Indian companies are exporting, they are probably American companies only. But because raw material are available in India and China, they have invested here. They are making pharmaceutical medicines in India, American companies only. And they are sending it to the America, like Apple phone. They are doing the assembly in India and then sending it. Apple itself is an American company, sending it back to the America. Okay, so in pharmaceutical, $10.89 billion is the export from India to America. Drugs, vaccine, active pharmaceutical ingredients, API, it is called active pharmaceutical ingredient, vaccines, drugs, medicine that they export from India to America. Gems and jewelry that India export from India to America, $10 billion. Pharmaceutical, $10.89 billion. Gems and jewelry, $10 billion. Okay, then it is electronics and electrical equipment. Indeed, a smartphone also comes into the picture. A smartphone assembled by the foreign companies in India, it goes to the America. And electrical equipments, okay, electrical devices worth $12.33 billion. Textile and apparel, garment, it goes from India to America, $3 billion worth. Okay, textile also goes from other countries like Bangladesh, China. There also textile goes from this country to the America. Bangladesh $10 billion per year. India $3 billion. This is what it is written here. Okay, petroleum product that goes from India. Petroleum product means Indian company like Naira Energy, Reliance. They import crude oil from Russia and they refine it. And they refined means diesel, petrol, tar, diesel, petrol, diesel, gasoline, jet fuel, aeroplane fuel, diesel, gasoline, other yeah, crude oil is decomposed into many refined products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, tar that is used to make the road, black tar, and other aeroplane petrol that is different. All they refine and bring into different sections, and they sell it into European market and America. So that is reaching America worth $2.88 billion. Engineering goods like industrial machines, okay, automotive component, electrical machines, that is called engineering goods. Machines are going from India to America worth $6.48 billion. It does not mean that all are Indian company only. Foreign company, because of the raw materials they have invested in India, they are making it and selling it to the America. Organic chemicals, the chemicals used in making pharmaceutical, agriculture, textile, in textile industry, agriculture industry, in pharmaceutical companies who are pharmaceutical companies are in America. For them, textile or agriculture, they need some chemical like acetic, methanol, aniline. These are the chemicals that are used in various industries. Yeah, India shipped those chemicals into the America worth $2.56 billion. Basmati rice. World's all basmati rice, 70% basmati rice are cultivated in India only. I believe Bangladesh and Thailand they also produce basmati rice. So India is number one exporter of the basmati rice, long grain rice that will be very long. If someone goes to Bihar, then he will see superior rice than basmati rice also. That is amazingly different. But anyway, let's talk about the basmati rice or the Gonda district, Devi Pattan division of the Uttar Pradesh. There is something called black rice that is also amazingly different. Anyway, so these are the basmati rice, $5.8 billion worth India export into America every year. $5.8 billion every year. Handicraft and home decor. So like carved wooden decor. So wood, someone carve it and make it decorable. That they also export. Hand wooden carpet, hand wooden carpet, I don't know what is hand wooden carpets. These are being exported into America worth $818 million, around $1 billion. And number 10 is footwear, leather material, leather bag, leather footwear. Okay, these are India is the second largest after China, and India export worth $1 billion more or less footwear. So 10 items India is exporting into United States. Pharmaceutical, gem jewelry, electrical and electronic equipment, textile and apparel. Number 5 is petroleum. 6 is engineering goods. 7th is organic chemical. 8 is basmati rice. 9 is handicraft and home decor. 10 is footwear, leather based. Okay, now we will proceed this discussion and we will see, like said that in Tamil Nadu, in Tirupur cotton that will fall under textile and garment, they are deeply affected now. That purchase order is not coming from America, or the leather business in Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, they are also getting affected now. Purchase order is not coming. We will see list of the region in India where industry is there, and then the effect is being seen now only after a few days. That is 27th of the August. In 4 days only, the effect is being seen in that area. We will discuss more.